Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, and as you can see from the description, from the thumbnail, from everything, this is a hair review. Shout out to Asteria Hair for this lovely unit. We're going to be reviewing this hair together. We're going to be styling this hair together. We're going to be doing all the good stuff together. This hair is actually a wavy hair. This is a 7x4 HD. Honestly, I'm so happy that I was sent this hair. This hair is, I think I've been saying this hair is amazing, this hair is amazing, but this one is different. This one is different. The strands are so soft and lush. The lace is so transparent. Where do I even start from? Well, in this video we're going to be installing, we're going to be styling, and to be honest, not like installing because it's a glueless unit. I think this is a 7x4 wavy hair, but I had to like style it, you know, give it that soft blowout effect because I just wanted to try it out for the first time. And also we're going to be doing cotton bangs, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve cotton bangs. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm shooting with my front camera today.
Jump scare.
Because one, I don't have a mirror to see what I'm doing, and two, I think that's just the point. Asteria. So this is a HD wig. It's a HD lace wig, and it's a 4x7. I think 4x7. What's it called? I don't know. Anyways, I bleached this hair last night. Just look at when I say HD, we mean HD. Look at the lace. Come on, what is this? It's so nice, so lovely, and the hair is so lush. Honestly, I thought this hair was going to be longer. Like I was expecting a longer hair to come, but I'm really satisfied with the length of this hair. It's so amazing. So we have the HD wig caps, which is not what I have on. Oh, we have this hair band, I think, melting band. Oh, another hair band. And then we have the edges brush comb thing, and then we have lashes. Okay, girl, let's get it. It really starts from here all the way to here, so it's long enough. But I would have to pluck this hairline just because. So here it is. I just plucked it a little bit, and completely glueless, if you can see. This hair is so soft. Like I'm in love. So the first thing I'm going to do is wet this hair a bit. Okay, Chonle, so drag this one this way. Comb, make sure everything is straight and flat. They said it's, I don't know if it's adjacent to the lips. I don't know if it's adjacent, or I don't know whatever it is. But anyways, here, this is where I'm gonna be cutting. Where's my scissors? Where is my scissors? Like this. Is that the right thing to do? I think so. I don't know, let me try. Okay, I did it right. Thank God. I think. But I'm still going to trim it a bit sharp. Everyone I saw on YouTube actually used hair straighteners, but I feel like my hair straightener is too flat. It's too flat. It doesn't have that rounded edge. So I'm just going to attempt using this, but I feel like this is going to work though. So we're just going to comb through. Just going to comb through, and then this is what it looks like. I'm going to put the flat edge on the inside, actually. This flat edge is going to be on the inside. This is going to be on the outside. So I have to roll it outwards or upwards, whatever. Did it work? Oh, I feel like it did. It worked. I feel like it's kind of too curly, so I'm going to attempt doing that again. But I feel like this is pretty though. Like, this is so pretty. Should I try it again? I feel like it works. So we're curling it upwards, not downwards, okay? And we're not curling it too much. We're just keeping it light. See, that's the thing. I curled this one more than this one. That's why this one is looking flatter. So I think I'm going to attempt doing this again so I can get it like this. Oh, this is so pretty, but this is different. So I think I'm really going to have to do this again. This is so pretty. God, this is the first time I'm actually doing this blowout thing, and it's nice. Okay, so how are we looking? I feel like they're kind of looking the same, I guess. So I'm just going to, you know, try to flatten it out up here. Right. This is so pretty, jeez. I honestly can't believe I just did this. Like, oh my god, I've always wanted to do this blowouts, soft blowouts, curtain bangs look, and it's so pretty. It is so pretty. Damn. And this hair was a wavy hair. I just made it more, you know. Oh my god, it's giving, I feel like an Indian. I don't know, this is so pretty. Like, take a look. It's giving supermodel vibes. Oh my god, finally a style that can actually let my earrings show. But damn, actually, if I'm to rate this hair, I'm going to rate this hair a 10 out of 10, like 10 over 10. The softness, the fact that the knots were very easy to bleach, the fact that the lace is very transparent, the fact that it is glueless, the fact that I can easily style this hair however I want to style it. Like, it's easy to style. It's not like all those strands are very difficult. You have to do and do and do. And then it's lightweight. That's another thing I love about it. It's not too full, but then it doesn't look like scanty. It's just perfect, honestly. And then because it's lightweight, it's actually way easier to style. Are my bangs different? I don't know why I feel like these bangs are still looking a bit different, but who cares? This hair is everything. This hair is so gorgeous. Shout out to Asteria Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this wig. Honestly, I love when I'm paid to promote the right things. I love when I am paid to promote things that are actually true and good and things that I can actually swear by. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe, you know, share, like, and all that good stuff. Please, it's time to go because I just want to, like, you know, go and cry somewhere because the beauty of this hair and my beauty, oh my god. Bye guys.